Guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:15 p.m. and today is 27th of February 2017. How are you guys? What is happening? How are the trades? Um, I'm I'm expecting, and rather I'm pretty much sure now you guys have learned how to be in the correct direction and trade correctly, right? And if you trade correctly, no matter what the direction of market, you will always have profitable trades. You will always have profitable trades. So, as I've been doing Nifty analysis with you every single day, today also I will do the analysis. But before that, let me just tell you once again that this webinar, let me just take you to my website and show you my website and tell you that my webinar, which is starting now, 3rd March onwards, which is a combo of intraday plus the stock pro setup, will be my last live webinar. So the ones, like my members got very upset about it, my at least particularly webinar members. So the members who are part of stock pro family, they don't need to worry. I'm always there with you. Whatever research I'll do, you will be part of it. Whatever upgradation I will do to my own learning, you will get that uh, in some form or the other. And as it is, in this webinar also, I have allowed all my previous webinars to join in the last webinar. So the opportunities to my members who are part of the stock pro team, they will keep getting enormous opportunities. But what I don't plan to do is to conduct live webinars. It's time consuming. You know it takes a lot of effort to train people, and I have been doing it very, very diligently, but I feel now I have trained good about 700-800 people, and they are ready to train others, so I hand over them the baton so that they can take the lead in training others. And I will do research and I will do some other thing. Let's see how it goes. But I was reading, comments that is stock pro closing down. Definitely not. Stock pro rather is going to become much more stronger now. Very, very powerful. So stock pro's strength you don't know, So anyway, that's a separate matter. But I'm going nowhere. I'm going to be right here, showing you my trades every day, making my videos, talking to you guys, and teaching you in the open forum. No more live webinars. So that's one thing. And second thing that I want to tell you, somebody has commented, you used to be so dead against intraday. Now you're doing intraday. I was dead against intraday because I was not confident. I did not know how to create with good trades with good accuracy. Now my accuracy is very, very high. I have really, really worked on my skills. Even today, you can see I have traded in Nifty and I'm in good profit of 37,000 rupees. Right? Yesterday, I showed you how from negative profits I made it positive. Today, I have made it this profit right now, and I'm pretty much hopeful that the market will further go down. So I want to explain you what was the reason, why did I trade, and what compelled me. Even my stock pro rocker members have got the option to buy it. I told them to go and buy. I told them to buy Nifty put at about 10 a.m. You can see the time. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that if you know the market's direction, you can earn money in any which direction. When the market opened today in the morning, I had a lot and lot of stocks on my radar. I had SRF on my radar. I had IDBI on my radar. I had RCOM on my radar, where I wanted to create buy position, right? I had SRF on my radar. I had LXI on my radar, right? All of them for buying, But the the moment I saw this, resistance being developed, immediately, I changed my direction. And I always say, whenever you find such beautiful trades in Nifty, put entire money. So I had some good 2 lakhs rupees. I put everything into buying positions here, right? See here. I think 2 lakh, if I remember correctly. Only this much is left. Rest all I have put into buying the options, put options. So these are opportunities, and whenever the opportunity comes, grab it with your both hands. So let me explain you how the opportunity came. Now see here, the market open gap up. You can see the market open gap up. It opened at pivot point, right? When the market opened at the pivot point, after that there was a tweezer top that was formed. A Marubozu candle formed for selling. Means the buyers lost their strength, right? The buyers lost the strength completely. Then the market came down with volumes, right? It crossed the moving average with volumes. That was the time I entered in the trade. I can show you. I entered my first trade at 9:36, right? So I entered into my trade at that time at 9:36. I entered into my put option. After that, to members, when I had to give it to my members, when I have to tell them about the breakout in the stock, I have to give it full confirmation. Then bulls showed a little strength. Again, bears pulled it down. See the bulls losing their strength. This candle has become a tiny candle. And the bears candle is a powerful candle, solid candle, and then again a solid candle. After that, there is a support. Bulls, I mean, people started booking the profits, or the bulls start coming in the market. It went up a little bit, and again bears pulled it down. So right now the struggle is on. Let's see what happens. And for clarity, let's go to the 5 minutes. In 5 minutes also, it's not being able to cross its barriers, right? Every time Nifty tries to go up, experience a resistance here, then here. Now it's again a bull run is coming. Let's see how much does it succeed. So if it doesn't take a resistance and comes down, I will probably exit my puts, right? But to me, according to me, it will experience a resistance, which is now started becoming evident from here. Now let's see the option chain. Let's see the option chain. A few minutes back, there were 8,40,000 new contract that were written in 10,600 of Nifty, right? Now let's see what's happening on the other side. What is happening on the put side? Where is the support Nifty has? Where is the support Nifty has? So the first support that Nifty has is at 10,500. And where's Nifty right now? Nifty is at 10,552. Let me just refresh it and see what's happening. So if I refresh it, it's become 8,81,000. That means Nifty under no circumstances going above 10,600. That's the landmark it has. It has huge barrier at that point. So I'm still holding my positions. I'm still holding my positions of these 2,100 puts, right? And I will be taking a call within a few minutes. In case it crosses with volumes the barrier that it has at the top, I will exit. And if it experiences a resistance and comes down, then I'm going to be holding my positions, right? Now, some of the stocks, although the market is so massively down, some of the stocks which have done wonderfully well, one of them is Graphite India, right? I have given it a little long back to members, and today it has given a breakout. And another stock that I want to show you, which I gave yesterday, is Bajaj Electricals. Bajaj Electricals. See today, it's beautiful run up, right? We gave it yesterday, and in a day itself, it has given a good 4-5% return, right? Now I'm little getting worried because this is a huge candle, a solid candle which has come up from the bull's side. So I have to see now whether it's crossing this barrier or not. If it crosses this barrier, means we will have to exit, right? I will exit my position with whatever profit I'm getting. But to me, it looks like a fictitious movement. To me, it looks like a fictitious movement. Many a times, Nifty will try to defend its position, and hopefully, let's see. When I'm on the sell side right now, also the profits are not bad. Even if I exit at this point, I shouldn't worry. But I feel Nifty should come down further. See, this move is not being honored, like it has again got a resistance. There is a rejection, price rejection at the top higher levels, right? So let's see how much strength does this candle has. If this becomes a powerful candle, now see the bulls are losing their momentum. Can you see? Bulls are losing the momentum. So let me interpret this move and this move and this move and this move. So see here, now at this point, these points, Nifty got a support and went up, right? So the bulls slowly picked up. This is a big candle. This is another big candle, but then came a red candle. So who's got confused here? It's the bulls who are getting confused, and then it came down, right? That means a war, a battle is going on between the bulls and the bears. Who has the upper hand right now? To me, bears have the upper hand. Why? What's the reason? The resistance at the top, this resistance of 50 moving average and the pivot point resistance is a huge resistance. I'm talking about 5 minutes right now, the time frame of 5 minutes. And if I take you to the cash graph of Nifty and show you what's happening there in one day, the resistance here is a huge resistance, right? So if Nifty breaks this resistance in the upward direction with volumes, then only it will go up. Otherwise, if you ask me, my mental setup is negative. I'm not on a buy side, I'm on a sell side. Today I'm not talking about buying. Again, see the price rejection. Can you see the price rejection? Just see the price rejection, right? And if this is honored, I'm 100% sure all the bulls are going to, the steam of the bulls is going to go out and the market will have to give a good profit in the downward direction. So not a bad profit, 26,000, 27,000. I am expecting, let me give you my expected value. What am I expecting? Right now, Nifty is down by 30 points. So what am I expecting? That it needs, at least Nifty should go down. Let me tell you, by looking at the graph, technical graph, where should it go down to? So first, I believe it should definitely come down to touch 10,550. That is what my perception is, right? If Nifty, uh, there are two possibilities now. One, Nifty crosses it above, then it has to cross 10,582 with volumes. Then it's up, it's heading upward. But if it comes down, then it has to cross 10,550 to give us enormous profit today. If it crosses this barrier of 10,550 with volumes, then Nifty will come down heavily, right? And then this put which I'm having will at least get me a profit. It'll reach a value of about 140 or so. So this is what my analysis today is. Hoping guys you are learning and you are earning, and you must understand about the market, right? You must understand about the market before you invest in the market. Otherwise you will be the person losing it out completely, right? Always you will be in the opposite direction. If the market is falling down, you will be on the buy side, and if the market is going up, you will be on a sell side, right? So the right now there is a huge resistance Nifty has. If Nifty does not cross this barrier and comes down in the next 5 minutes, then I'm expecting a great fall. And if it crosses this in the upward direction with volumes, I'm expecting it to go up. So I think this is what I wanted to show you, people. And definitely, if you want to join my last webinar, live webinar, you can contact my team, go to my website and go to contact us. And then you can contact in any which way. You can contact through Telegram, WhatsApp, phone, email. You can write an email over here, or you can talk to them through this window of chat, right? Anything that you want to do, please go ahead, take this opportunity and learn for life. That much I'm telling you. Nobody will be able to fool you. Nobody will be able to tell you when it's time to buy. They will not be able to tell you that sell, right? So be a person who understands the market, who does not rely on the tip, right? You pay so much money to people who provide you tip. Pay money to your education. You will be one person who will understand what's happening in the market, right? So I would like to suggest you guys this only, but rest is your choice. Rest is what you need to what you decide. But my suggestion will remain that please learn in the market, right? And earn as much money as you wish to. And one stock I forgot to tell you. One stock I forgot to tell you is HEG. What a comeback! What a comeback this stock has done, right? Whatever it went down in 2 3 days, it just blasted all those losses and moved up, right? Even I'm holding it. Even I'm holding it. I told you. So, which is, of course, these are little losses right now, but I'm not perturbed about them. I'm expecting, a good returns. So I'm not perturbed and I'm not exiting my positions. So I'm holding my positions and let's see what happens. If Nifty now crosses it with volumes, then Nifty may go up, but I will wait for a little bit more time. How much profits I have? 14,000. So which is also not bad. Which is also not bad. Okay. So I'm just waiting to have a bit more confirmation. Then I will exit my trades. All right. So good day, guys. Enjoy your trades. Should always be profitable trades. Not even a single negative trade, no matter what. Lesser profits are acceptable. l- Small losses are not acceptable. Even 10 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupees of loss is not acceptable, right? Profits come home, no problem. We will next day we'll do a better trade. We will generate more profits. But profits, if the portfolio is red, then it's not acceptable. My holding is red, but I'm not worried about this because these are all my trades which I have evaluated very very well, and I know they will give me a good return within few days, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you, and I'm hoping that you all are there to polish your skills in the stock market and learn for life. And the promise that we do is you will be able to recover your fee. And it could like if you have a capital of about 50 60,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees, you will be able to recover it within a month and a half or 2 months time. So with this, I'm signing off, but I definitely want to see you all there in my webinar and learning for life. Good day. Bye bye. See you.